Are you ready to elevate your blending game and create a wide variety of delicious drinks and dishes with ease? The Ninja TB301 Detect Duo Power Blender Pro is here to take your blending experience to the next level. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into what makes this blender a fantastic addition to your kitchen and why it's a must-have for blending enthusiasts. Power that packs a punch. At the heart of the Ninja TB301 Detect Duo Power Blender Pro is a robust 1800 peak watt motor base. This motor is built to handle even the toughest ingredients, making it a powerhouse when it comes to blending. Whether you're crushing ice for smoothies, blending frozen drinks, or chopping up vegetables, this blender can tackle it all. BlendSense technology for perfect results. One of the standout features of this blender is Ninja's innovative BlendSense technology. This intelligent system can automatically adjust the blending speed and time to deliver perfectly smooth results. The blender has an informative dial that lets you know which mode it's operating in, providing a truly user-friendly experience. With BlendSense technology, you'll achieve consistent, restaurant-quality blending every time. Full-size pitcher for family-friendly blending. The Ninja TB301 comes with a spacious 72-ounce full-size pitcher. This pitcher is perfect for making large batches of smoothies and frozen drinks, so you can cater to the whole family or entertain guests without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to multiple blending sessions. This blender's got you covered. Total crushing and chopping blade assembly. One of the secrets behind this blender's incredible performance is the Ninja Total Crushing and Chopping Blade Assembly. It's designed to give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks and expertly chopped veggies, fruits, and more. The result: consistently smooth blends and deliciously chopped ingredients for your culinary creations. Single-touch preset programs. Simplify your blending tasks with the single-touch preset programs. These one-touch programs allow you to process and chop ingredients directly in the 72-ounce pitcher. Whether it's salsa, dips, or soups, achieving the perfect consistency has never been easier. Unleash your creativity with variable speed. While the preset programs are convenient, the Ninja TB301 also offers variable speed options for those who love to have complete control. You can choose from 10 different speed settings, giving you the freedom to fine-tune your blends to perfection. Complete manual control in a full-sized pitcher. This blender offers it all. On-the-go convenience. With the Ninja TB301, you're not limited to just large batches. The blender includes two 24-ounce single-serve cups, complete with spout lids for on-the-go convenience. Whether you're rushing out the door or simply prefer a single serving, these cups are your perfect companions. Liquid detect feature. Ever added ingredients and wondered if there's enough liquid? The Ninja TB301's liquid detect feature has you covered. It alerts you when more liquid is needed, ensuring your blends turn out just right. This intelligent feature prevents you from wasting ingredients and guarantees consistent results. Easy cleaning for your convenience. Cleaning up after blending has never been simpler. The Ninja TB301 comes with BPA-free containers, lids, and blades that are all top-rack dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand washing and enjoy more time savoring your delicious creations. What's included? Your purchase of the Ninja TB301 Detect Duo Power Blender Pro includes everything you need for a seamless blending experience. The package comprises the 1800 peak watt motor base, a 72-ounce pitcher, the total crushing and chopping blade assembly, two 24-ounce single-serve cups, two spout lids, and the hybrid edge blade. In conclusion, the Ninja TB301 Detect Duo Power Blender Pro is more than just a blender. It's a versatile kitchen companion that empowers your culinary creativity. With its powerful motor, BlendSense technology, spacious pitcher, variable speed control, and intelligent features, it's your gateway to achieving consistently perfect blends and dishes. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary artist, or simply love a good blended drink, this blender is designed to meet your every need. It's time to take your blending experience to the next level with the Ninja TB301 Detect Duo Power Blender Pro. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your culinary adventures. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.